Hello, good morning students. We are learning models, auxiliaries, and we know that models are used to express moods and attitudes of the speaker. And we told you some models like can, could, may, should, would. Now today we will study modal must, ought to, must, necessity or obligation. These verbs, these modals must is used for necessity or obligation. For example, we must do our duty. You must do our duty. Here must is modals. Second, we must respect our national flag. We must respect our national flag. It is our duty or a necessity for us. It is our duty to respect our national flag. So we use here must. We must respect our national flag. Must is used for necessary work. For example, you must buy a dictionary. डिक्शनरी की तुम्हें ज़रूरत है, बगैर डिक्शनरी के तुम पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकते हो, इसलिए ये नेसेसिटी हुआ और हम लोग इसको यूज करते हैं यहाँ पर यू मस्ट बाई ए डिक्शनरी. सेकेंड, थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल, you must walk on the left side of the road. अगर हम लेफ्ट साइड रोड के एक तरफ रोड साइड पर अगर लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं चलते हैं तो एक्सीडेंट का खतरा रहता है, इसलिए ये नेसेसिटी हुआ, ये हमारी ड्यूटी भी है कि हमें रोड के बाएं तरफ चलना चाहिए. यू मस्ट वॉक ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द रोड. नाउ वी लर्न यूज ऑफ ought to. Ought to, it is also used in for duty or moral obligation. Here we use first example. We ought to respect our elders. Ought to used For models, we ought to respect our elders. We ought to help the needy. Here we use ought to help the needy, the moral obligation. ये हमारी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम गरीबों की या जरूरतमंदों की सहायता करें. थर्ड, modern used to. Use of used to. First we know that used to is used in past time for the past time, that is our habit. For example, Mohit used to learn yoga. Here used to, it is a past habit of Mohit, but it used for in form of modals, and it also carried the first form of the verb. Mohit used to learn yoga. Second example, they used to go to school on time. Here used is the habit of past time to go to school on time. Third form, next modal, need. इसका हिंदी होता है नीड का आवश्यकता होना. इसका नीड नॉट में प्रयोग किया जाता है. नीड नॉट, नेगेटिव फॉर नेगेटिव, नीड जरूरत होना, आवश्यकता होना. वी नीड to buy a dictionary. Second example, in an interrogative sentence, do I need to help him? Here need is modals, and we need to buy a dictionary. Here need is modals. Now I will give you some question for practice, and you should take down in your copy and fill the gaps with correct modals. For exercise, it is a home assignment. You should use must, need, ought to, and may. Question number first. These are the four sentences, and you should fill the blanks by using these modals: must, need, ought to, may. First question, fill dash I take your book. Question mark. Second, you dash respect our freedom fighters. Third, I dash not your help. And number fourth, we dash to feed the poor. And these questions are for your homework, and I correct your answer. Next class, you should use these models to fill the blanks. For today, thank you.